Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie and you're watching Just Debbie Marie. So today I will be showing you how I get my 10 twist super defined super juicy twist out. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that, keep watching. Okay guys, so I will be working on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. This is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna put in an image of the products that I use, but I can just tell you from now. Alright, so for the shampoo, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo. And then in order to deep condition, what I usually do is I use my Holy Grail Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. This gives me a lot of slip, so I'm able to detangle. And today I used a protein deep conditioner, which is the Originals Africa's by Africa's Best hair mayonnaise. So this is what I used. As I said, I would show you guys in the b-roll what those products actually look like if you're not familiar with them. So yeah, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm going to section my hair. So in order for me to get the 10 twists, I usually do 3 at the back, 3 in the middle, maybe 4 at the front, or 4 somewhere else, but we'll just see how it feels. And the products that I'll be using are, one, I'll show you guys this in the b-roll too. It's the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. So funny story about this, I actually didn't like this as a mask, as a deep conditioner, and so I was like, well, I really need to get rid of it because I'm not going to let it waste. So basically I tried it one day in a twist out, or in my twist, and I realized that, you know, it's not bad. So I'll be using this, the Deep Treatment Mask Raw Shea Butter by Shea Moisture. And then I will also be using the Lotta Body Coconut Shea Curls Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I have a little bit of it left, so that's what I'll be using on my twist today. Don't mind if you see me sweating. The time is very hot out here. The light is very hot. So yeah, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna section the back part first, and I'm doing this blindly because I am not using a mirror. So I'm just gonna section off the back part. And then I'm gonna just put this part up in a little top knot. I have my section clips here, so I'll just clip them. So what I'm gonna do is, actually might put 4 at the back, thinking about it. I try as best to do them as even as possible, but as I said, I don't have a mirror looking at right now, so hopefully it won't come out properly. But you guys will get in essence what I'm really trying to do. So what I usually do, because I don't want the hair getting tangled in each other, so when I section out this one part here, I clip this other part away so that my hand doesn't like catch into another twist. So this is what my hair looks like. I also have a spray bottle. Usually when I do this, I do it in the bathroom, and so I just have the pipe right there. But for the purpose of this video, I'm doing this outside of the bathroom. So I just have spray bottle here with, like, I got some samples from somewhere, and I just throw them in here with some water to just help with the moisturization, I guess. I haven't put anything on my hair since I washed out the deep conditioner, so this is the first thing that I'll be putting on my hair. Ensure that there are no tangles, so I'm just gonna take my time and use this brush. I got this brush in a wholesale in Jamaica for $250, and I really like it. This is what it is. It's just a regular, it looked like a tangle teaser to me. All right, so after I have brushed it out, what I'm gonna do is just put the deep moisture mask on my hair like this. If I feel like I need a little bit more, I just put some more on it. I don't necessarily follow what them say about put dime size. That just put how much I feel is necessary. So I rub it through my hands until it feels like smooth. I always put a little bit more on my ends just because my ends are colored and they tend to be a lot drier. So after I do that, I'll brush it through one last time to make sure that it's all detangled. And then I'm gonna spray some of the mousse in my hand. Sorry, I didn't show you guys, but I'm spraying some of the mousse in my hand. Rubbing it together. Ooh! Putting it on it, rubbing it in. And then I'm going to begin doing a 2-strand twist, which is just a regular twist. Right, I want to do it as tight as possible, so I want to really keep pulling as I twist around. Just keep pulling it together as I twist around. Yep. And then when I get to the end, right, and it will be dripping because I need my hair to be super detangled, so this is fine. When I get to the end, I can't find my comb, but anyway, let me use my I use the brush again, and I just brush the ends, and then what I do is twist them around my finger like this. So at the ends, I just give them a little twist. I don't twist them completely to the end. I give them a little twist and leave it like that. They will curl up eventually at the end. So that's one twist. So what you guys will see me here is just basically repeating the step that I just showed you. So again, I'm clipping away the hair that I'm not going to be working with. Yeah, time hot. You see me, I wipe my face because Jamaica hot. Summer is upon us. So I'm just gonna again wet my hair. I want it to be like dripping, almost dripping. And when I spray it in there, I just smooth it out. Then I go in with the brush and just make sure that it's completely detangled. And then I'm gonna be adding the mask again, just rubbing that through my hair again, just making sure that it's spread evenly, and also using the brush again to just detangle and make sure everything is spread evenly. Then I'm gonna put on the foam and then rub that through my hair also. And then I'm just gonna start doing the two-strand twist again and just pulling it as tight as possible, because if it's not tight when you pull out or unravel the twist, what will happen is that it won't be as defined. So it needs to be as tight as possible when you're actually installing the twist. So I'm going to twist them close to the end but not all the way to the end, and brush it out again and just coil it around my finger, and that will give me a nice curl when I would have completed that. So I actually decided to do 2 flat twists at the front. So I did the rest of my hair off camera, but I came back to just show you how I decided to section the 2 front pieces. So I'm gonna do a flat twist. I'm basically repeating the same process, putting in the mask, then the foam, detangling as I go along, just to ensure that everything is spread evenly. And then I'm just smoothing in everything, wiping my face because time hot. And then what I actually decided to do was use some gel to smooth the front of my hair, because I would be wearing the twist for a little while and I may have to go on the road for whatever reason, or you know, be in a work call or something, and I wanted to at least look a little bit presentable, because you know, twists sometimes don't necessarily make you look like a real professional person. But I am basically flat twisting. Now, I'm not the best at flat twisting, so it may look different from how you do yours, but this is how I am able to flat twist the front of my hair. So I'm just again pulling the twist tight so that it can be really defined when I unravel, combing through the ends, and then I'm going to coil it around my finger. So that's how I achieved that. And then right here, I'm just showing you what it looks like when I've completed everything. I ended up doing 4 twists at the back, 3 in the middle, and then the 2 at the front that you saw. So that's a total of 9 twists. So it's been a few days. Honestly, it's been about 5 days since I did my twist. So now I'm just gonna take them down. I had my hair tied up in a scarf for most of the time. Sometimes, honestly, I wasn't so good at tying it down, so it would have gotten a little bit frizzy over the 5 days that I wore the twist. So what I'm actually gonna do is put a little hair polisher on my hands just to aid in this twist, in the frizz, or to combat the frizz when I am pulling it out. It already is frizzy because, as I said, I had installed them 5 days ago, so some frizz would have developed. So I'm just putting some hair polish on my hands and rubbing it in my hair. Then I am going to catch up all my hair and just leave out the one that I'm going to unravel at the time, and just put everything else away so that I can basically have space to just detangle as carefully as I can. And because there are only 9 twists, it really didn't take me any time to unravel these twists. I'm just basically taking my time and going through, taking my time, but not really. And as you can see, even though that is one big twist, you can see how defined it actually is. So I'm just going through and just repeating the same things. I pull out the twist first, or unravel it in the opposite direction that it was twisted, and then I just kind of separate where I feel like it naturally kind of wants to separate. As you can see, it kind of is separating already even after just unraveling it from the big twist. So I'm just pulling out a twist as I need to unravel it, and I'm just going to continue to do that for all of my hair. So you see me just fluffing out my hair. I'm literally just using my hands to fluff out my hair. And because I had a middle part, I wanted to kind of smooth down each side of the middle part. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Wetline Extreme Gel and my toothbrush, my handy dandy hair toothbrush, and just smooth it down. And then I'm going to use a pin and just pin it down. I like the look that this gives me when I actually smooth my edges or the front of my hair. I think it looks very neat when I do it that way. So even though I would have had a good amount of frizz, still definition, but a good amount of frizz because of how long I had the twist in, pinning it down and smoothing the front with the gel really gives it a nice sleek look in my opinion. And then I'm just fluffing with my hands as I go along. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and comment down below letting me know that you like this video. Also remember to subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.